The next wave of 100x AI projects starts now, and for once, the whales don't have an advantage. In the last two bull cycles, 2017 and 2020, launchpads were the best way to turn $1,000 into $100,000. Top traders have recently been calling for fair launches to be this cycle's best way to earn. And if you're early to virtuals.io, you can farm top-tier token allocations fairly. I'm Ray, and welcome back to the Cash Lab, guys. And today, we're going to be talking about how to maximize points for the Virtuals Genesis Launchpad. And this is Virtuals' new Genesis Launchpad. It is the hottest thing in crypto right now. It's kind of like Pump.Fun was back in its early days. There's a lot of people who are just out to make a quick buck. It's up to you to comb through these and do your own research and try to get your money and points into the best projects possible. They all start at a fixed 112,000 virtual market cap. And what that means in USD value can go up or go down depending on the price of virtuals at the time. Allocations are determined after a 24-hour point bidding period. If the funding goal isn't met, no tokens are minted and all virtual and points are fully refunded. Now, if they are met, you will get your token allocations, but you can see here, like, Arbis is a very hyped up AI agent project, and the launch just went live today, and it's already 1,000% oversubscribed. So if you've only got, 20, 30, 40 points, it's probably not worth you getting in. The top wallet has almost 1 million Virgin Points allocated to this project, and they're getting 566 virtuals worth of this token, which is probably going to be a massive amount of money considering how hyped this token is. Now, today we're not going to be getting into what all these projects do. I will be doing a bunch of short videos on my picks and the tokens that I am allocating my points to. And if you scroll down the list, you can see there are only a couple live at this time. A bunch of them are going to be going live within the next few days. At the bottom of each listing, you can see which ones are live, which ones will be going live, so you can kind of figure out where you want to put your points and your money. You can see here a bunch of them failed, a bunch of them got canceled, these succeeded. The Sentient Agents tab will show you all of the projects that have already gone live. You can do a little research from there. Obviously, there's a bunch of them here that you can still purchase and hold and get that diamond hand bonus. So we've got a bunch of different options here. So you can stake virtuals. 20% of all Virgin Points are going to be going to the people who stake virtuals. Yapping points. Yap about virtuals and virtuals agent tokens on X. You basically connect your X account to your virtuals account and you will get points. Now, you used to have to go and fill out a form, but now they've joined with Kaito. It makes it much easier to get these points. Join Genesis launches. Obviously, if you're just starting out, you can't do that. So my suggestion to start off would be to stake your virtuals tokens. Get the points, and then we can go join some of these Genesis launches. Buy more Genesis agents. You can see if they were part of a Genesis launch here. Basis was a big project. This project had a lot of hype on it. It's at an $8-9 million market cap now. At its hype, right after the launch, it was another 2x. So that's 150, 160x for the people who jumped in this project. So the money is here and the money can be made. So we've got stake Vader points, and this was one of the only ones that you could stake a few days ago, but they have been continuing to grow this list. And they will continue to grow this list of some of the other agents that have now launched. And here's a list of the recognized agents. Honestly, guys, this thing grows every day. So if you are in a project or you like a project and you don't see it on this list, chances are at some point, if there's any validity to the project, they will be giving out points for that. I also saw that it's only recognizing the projects that are on base at this time, but that is also going to change. Virtuals right now is on Solana and base. You can basically buy the tokens from Virtuals and go to the project's website to stake. And we've got holding the agents in your wallet. And when you participate in one of these Genesis launches, if you hold your tokens, you have the opportunity to also get airdrops from some of the other tokens. In Virtuals Protocol style, this system is built to last. They do a great job to adding utility to everything that they do. So basically how it works, you come here and you pledge your points if you like the project, and it will tell you a suggested virtual amount to commit. So right here, it's telling me like 0.14 of a virtual token. That's like literally not even 50 cents. So this project isn't probably something I'm going to be looking at. If I had more points, things would be a little bit different. Now, there was an exploit that was discovered where people were wash trading their agent tokens through different wallets and collecting all of the points. So Virtuals has continued to refine the system to make it fair for everybody. So Ethermaze goes through a few of these upgrades. Curve flattening still rewards whales and large holders more than small holders, but not to an extent where it's too much. Also, small holders get to participate more. We get more noise on Twitter, win-win. Clustering of the dev wallets and jail wallets, so the penalties flow. Allowing all agent tokens to have a staking mechanism on our website. The idea is you get max allocation share for holders by locking it for 14 days max. It decays linearly. The idea is to hold your agent tokens in this staking contract for points. If you hold in wallet, no points. This probably solves wallet rinsing more. And they've added a referral mechanism. Why not spread the good word? And the last one is just not selling your agent tokens. And then you get this diamond hands bonus, which I claimed this morning, and it was substantially more than all of the other things put together. So they are rewarding people who are not selling their agent tokens. I think this launchpad is just the start of what is going to be a very long bull run for the Virtuals token. I'm going to be doing a bunch of short videos on the projects that I'm looking at, where I'm allocating my tokens. So make sure you're subscribed. As always, comment below any projects you think I need to have an eye on, and I'll see you in the trenches, guys.